Hey, Clay.
It seems like soon you will have a very cute penguin in your collection. Let's enjoy it together. Let's take 4 colors of clay: blue, white, orange, and black. First, we're going to make a body. Take a piece of blue clay and roll one big ball. Roll it into a cone with your hand. Congratulations! The body is done. Let's make eyes. Take a piece of white clay and roll 2 little balls. Make deepenings with a pencil. Hooray! Eyes are done. Let's make a tummy. Take a piece of white clay and roll 1 middle ball. Then roll it into a cone with your hand. And flatten it with your hand. Well done! The tummy is done. Let's model wings. Take a piece of blue clay and roll 2 little balls. You must be proud of yourself. Keep going. Then roll them into a cone with your fingers. And flatten them with your finger. You've done it! Wings are done. model a beak. Take a piece of orange clay and roll one middle ball. Then roll into a cone with your fingers. And press with your finger. And hooray! A beak is done. Let's model paws. Take a piece of orange clay and roll two little balls. Then roll them into a cone with your fingers. And flatten paws with your finger. Hooray! Paws are done. Model pupils. Take a piece of black clay and roll two little balls. Hooray! Pupils are done. Great! Your family will love your penguin. Is great. How about another figure?
Cool. Can you make a friend for me? Choose one for yourself.